I'm sorry, I'll try harder. My pleasure.
I pick my poison and it's you. No. Hey guys, right here, and today, well, some of my friends asked me how do I get animation and filming code with like not even 1000 SC and just a casual not getting any tax or anything. So I'm going to show you how to get your wish list and the animation slash background for free. So first you just want to open it, email, or like if you don't have it then you have to like just click star coins and then click invite friends and then enter your email. But since I already did that, I'm not going to do it. So yeah, this should pop up. It should say your username here and then your username again here, and then you just click this and it get you to this page. And I just want to say, don't do this after like chat there if you're on like a different server or something. So yeah, then you just create a normal account when you say yes. And yeah, by the way, you don't have to like you don't have to style it or anything like creating a new account that you're going to play on because you're going to be deleting this afterwards. So just name it whatever, like I don't know. Yeah, gibberish. Then if you have a name like that, you can't ever search it and again just copy it. So yeah. And then just do an easy password like wow123 or something. And then click on accept. When you click accept, you don't have to do anything to this, just click the skip button of course. And then no one wants to hear you Pixie. Get out of here, Pixie. You're ruining the video. Pixie. Anyways, and then you just want to go back to your main account and refresh so you can wait. Let me just where is it taking so long? Of course it's refreshed, and now you just want to put your main account to use password in the okay. Ooh. Okay, you'll be needing the noob account. Okay, so you'll be needing the noob account, your main account, and like your backup account or something like that. So I'm just going to use my friend's account. And I am not talking guys. She actually let me use her account for this, so yeah. Shout out to Ruby Rose123. She's a really great friend. Anyways, I'll be like, okay, so on your friend's account, you just want to copy and paste the name. Oh my god, my copy and paste is, I just typed in the name and just copy it. Okay. Now you just want to add it. And don't exit out of the profile. Now you just want to add it. Okay. Just want to click accept. And you already are over here. Now you want to open only one disk, doesn't matter which one. I suggest only the first one. Just one of them. Then you open all your presents. And just skip that. So you collect all your gifts. You could click back, but I won't do it. You do the quest. And I'm going to skip that part too. Found this girl named Giving Free VIP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How stupid can anyone be on this game to get free VIP, even though she might not be a hacker, but with a username like that, I think she is. I don't know. Single. Yeah, that's right. She thought I was going to sit here and okay, so after you get all of the quests, the fashion one is optional, but I'm not going to do it. I usually don't do it. But if you still need more essence, you can always pet rooms, like pet pets in the rooms. So let me just see how much I need because I'm buying a wish list for my friend. Okay, so I got that all covered. And now, since you're at level 4, or at least you should be, I'll just create SMs. 3 SMs will do, and I'll be right back after I create the SM. By the way, do not add your 2 accounts. Okay, do not add them. I repeat, do not add your 2 main slash backup accounts, okay? So yeah, so I'm just going to say, sorry for not uploading like 2/3 weeks. I was grounded and I had a lot of homework to do, so yeah. VIP clothes boy clothes when you're not VIP or boy with Charles Wood O2 because just gotta do that. So yeah. Okay, so as you can see here, I did 3 of them, they're short ones. They're 10 seconds long because I only showed them 5 and one of the measure things are 2 seconds. So after you do that, you just want to watch the movies on both of their accounts. So yeah. And don't forget to add an extra auto play. So yeah. I'll be right back after I watched all the movies. After you watched all the 3 movies on both accounts and give an auto to this account, doesn't matter which account you give an auto on, you will get 200 star coins and you will reach level 6. Tomorrow.